Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be discussing like the pets you will need to complete your achievements and grow a garden. So let's open our garden guide here. So if you go to achievements, there's a core pet section, and obviously this one you'll need all of the pets that are obtainable by the rare, common, and uncommon, and I think legendary egg. Oh, and the bug egg, of course. I still haven't. Well, I did get already the praying mantis and red giant ant, but I opened it before this was on Glory Garden. So, anyways, that doesn't count. So, the pets you need for the common achievements, you'll need a dog. You'll need a golden lab, as you can see here. For the uncommon one, you'll need a cat, a deer, a chicken. And then for the rare ones, you'll need an orange tabby, a spotted deer, monkey, rooster. And then for the legendary one, you'll need a silver monkey, you'll need a turtle, you'll need a cow, sea otter, polar bear. Then for the mythical one, you'll need a snail, a caterpillar, a gray mouse, a brown mouse, a red giant ant, squirrel, and brown mouse. Oh my gosh, I need to obtain a golden mutation on that. Okay, how is that even possible? For the divine ones, you'll need a giant ant, praying mantis, dragonfly, red fox. And yeah, those are the pets you'll need for the achievements. Basically, every pet you'll need to hatch first. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It is a little bit, no, it's actually super hard to do. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do the like divine achievements, let alone the like rare achievements. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.